Yes, okay. For the even number, we will go for it. I will open the same. I have not written anything. Just I will even dot L file I will open. I don't know what is this. ठीक है. Is any problem with the vowel execution? Shall I again repeat? Message in chat. If you are not audible, making chaos, don't make chaos. You can directly message me so that I can repeat the same and give you the execution part. Reply.
No, ma'am.
Repeat. Okay. Which program? Vowel program should I repeat, or the even odd program? Because even odd program is given you for assignment, and similarly the output. So anybody can reply or make their screen share so that I can receive the errors what you had faced. May I know what errors you have received so that I can also get in touch with that, and I will ask you to make that errors get out. Is anybody wants to share their screen so that I will be able to know what errors are repeated over there? तेच केलं ना तुम्ही प्रोग्राम कुणी केलाय का प्रोग्राम इथे चॅट मध्ये कॉपी पेस्ट करा प्रोग्राम जर इवन ऑडचा केला असेल तर तुम्हाला चॅट मध्ये कॉपी पेस्ट करा मला परत लिहित बसावं लागेल तो yes anybody so that I can take your program as in consideration and CR from both the division. I'm going to share one list. You have to remove that student from our group. TY BTech A and TY BTech B. Both the CR. I'm going to share this particular list with you. Then you have to remove that people from the group because there is no use of that such students to remain in the group. It is a burden for us. Yes, anybody is having the program facing error can paste in chat box. I will take it from them and I will execute and will show you what errors you are facing. Anybody? Okay. I think this same program has been done with somebody. Chat. Okay. We'll see the execution. What was the actual error? This was the same program. Those had shared with me and having the same problem while execution. We'll go on a command prompt. We'll execute the path of where is my program. I need to go to check where is that program in system programming problem. Flex, same vowel or even dot L in library matches. Okay, fine. Now GCC space, yes, lex dot yy dot c. Yes, we'll check if anything is happening. We'll receive the execution of the my lex file is generated. Now I need to do the execution of my object file, which is a.exe. That is, yes, clear. Now you have to see, give 22, it will show you even. If you are saying that 56, it is again showing an even. If you are saying it is a 3, it will make it as a odd. And when you get a control C, directly you are out of the program. Clear? Any doubt? You have to use the first of the programming content, and lastly you can press the compilation again if you want again the access of new program. I can, and after the execution of the object file, because the program we had designed here means given to me by somebody. So it is already given that this condition is common. You had already used in the C programming, that I percentage 2 is equal to 0. If it is 0, then you have to print yes, even, and if it is not, then you have to print odd. Then wrapping the main common part we had done. So just wait, I will log in from the other. I will stop the screen. Anybody wants to share your screen, you can, and I will generate whatever the errors are there, we will sort out. So please ask here. It is not possible for me to look in the WhatsApp group if you are sharing with me after the practical session is over. So rightly you can ask me, rightly you can message me directly. If anybody is having doubt, you can ask me here. I will share your program and will put out take your without error the program we can run here. Is it not possible for me to take from WhatsApp, as my system is not supporting? I don't have a laptop with me at my home. So I'm again repeating, if you are having problem, you can share here. So I will stop my sharing. Yes. Any errors from your side? Shall we move further with the new example?
Ma'am, what is the use of that ATOI function?
That is, here I equals to ATOI y dot text. That is nothing but you are making your lex program first of all to function in mathematical way. जे आपण header files आपण इथं फक्त use काय केलंय? Just I will show you. Here we had used the function only the library, that is studio.h. That is nothing but standard input output. Only I am going to take the input from the system. That's why, or you can say the system is not going to, and the user is going to give the input. And for that purpose, when I am printing this 0 to 9 condition, then this condition is going to just make in a text format. जे मी नंबर लिहिते जो नंबर मी प्रिंट करते थे 22 वगैरह वगैरह, so that should be taken in the text format. That is nothing but in a decimal format, not in a binary format. That is the conversion done over here with ATOI. This is the pattern. This is, you can call it as a syntax. And I'm converting that binary into text format. And that's why when I'm going to give the 22 or any value, it is going to convert. I'm not printing in a binary format 010. And after that, wrapping is performed. And after wrapping, the main function will return the value 0. Return the value 0. Only the main point is here, you are printing numbers from 0 to 9. And that is going to convert in your text format. And that text format is again taken into the consideration. That number is divided by 2 equals to 0. If the answer is there, then it is going to print your even number. If not, odd number. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, anybody want to present their screen, I will make them co-host, so that if there is any error, and while taking out the consideration, if you are using the Visual Studio, it is no problem, but the batch files are sometimes they will not generate the lex file, they will not generate the object file. That's why we had used this command prompt for running our program. If you are using other platform, good, but they will not generate what we want, what we are using. That is nothing but the Unix development tool in our concept. जे आपल्या सिलेबस मध्ये आहे त्या पॅटर्न नुसार आपण हे कन्सेप्ट यूज करतोय, जे आपले ऑब्जेक्ट फाइल जनरेट करणार आहे. And then we are receiving this program. And you have to make clear that after running each and every program, you have to keep that programs in a PDF format. The program in the first, and lastly at the end you should have that output, and you have to share in the drive where I have given the link already given yesterday. You have to put your program over there with your roll number and division, with your roll number and division. Yes, anybody is having doubt? Shall we move further with another example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. The task is given to you, and rightly I need from your side, you have to print the count of the numbers I am going to give in a string. जे स्ट्रिंग मध्ये मी जे नंबर किंवा स्ट्रिंग जी देणार आहे त्याचा मला काउंट पाहिजे, हा मला प्रोग्राम. यू हॅव टू राईट अ प्रोग्राम print the numbers, print the number, or you can say count of string given. Go for it. I think so it is only to one person I have given. I will go for everyone. सपोज मी स्वेरी दिला असेल तर स्वेरी हा किती अक्षरी आहे, equals to 5. It should be shown like this. Means the string length, whatever the string you are going to give, the count should be displayed. Yes, go for it. Go for it. And the similar tab and the program folder will also be shared with you from the system programming. System programming चा जो folder आहे माझा पण, तो पण मी ग्रुपला शेअर करेन after completion of each and every program. After completion of each and every program. You have to write the program. Don't keep only the silent. जरी तुम्ही घरी असाल तरी पण तुम्हाला थोडा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. ट्राय करा. तुम्ही इथे ट्राय करा नाही तर. Same as vowel we have to print. Just similar things is we have to count the string length, not the vowel and consonant. I don't want. Only you have to make changes in vowel file. Vowel चा जो प्रोग्राम होता त्याचे चेंज करायचे. Go for it. I need the output from you. Later एक पण प्रोग्राम घेतला जाणार नाही पुढे. तर आता तुम्ही शो नाही केलं तर पुढचे काही प्रोग्राम दिले नाही, नुसते टास्क दिले जातील. तुम्हाला वॉवेल मध्येच तुमचा आन्सर आहे. मला फक्त स्ट्रिंगची लेंथ तिथं प्रिंट करायची आहे. वॉवेलचा जो प्रोग्राम आहे तोच फक्त रिपीट आहे. फक्त आता मी वॉवेल आणि कॉन्सोनंट काढून टाकलंय, फक्त स्ट्रिंग. सो गो फॉर इट. आता तो पण कन्क्लुजन म्हणजे एक क्लू दिलेला आहे कुठला प्रोग्राम कसा करायचा आहे. मला तिथेच थोडासा चेंज करायचा आहे. Yes, anybody done? Okay, path setting. Yes, you want. Okay, we'll go again further how to set the path. Open the control. You can type environment variable or just environment if environment variable, or you can in the search tab you can write the environment variable. Here you will see in your system there will be edit the system environment variable. Edit the system environment variable. Just click on that. You have to, it will generate over here. Then you have to refer for the tab, or you can say button, that is environment variable. You have to click on this particular button. After clicking on this button, you have to move further to select the user variable for ASL, that path system. Here you have to paste the path. You have to paste this path. Then how this path you have pasted or copied? If you are saying that new, then you have to write in the variable name. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you have to write here over here path, and simply you have to put the link copied. So which link you need to go copy it here? Then two links you have to do copy over here one by one, not at the same time. You have to copy the link like from here. Where is your mean GW? Mean GW is over here. When after installation of the mean GW, it will get installed in the C drive, because it is the GCC compiler installation file. Okay, open it, bin, then copy this path, then copy this path. This is mean GW for GCC. जर batch file वगैरे error येत असेल, then you have to install this. installation काल दाखवलेला आहे. installation काल दाखवलेला आहे. तर हा कॉपी करायचा पाथ. then कुठे गेलो आपण? here you have to just paste. आता ऑलरेडी काय आहे, माझ्या सी मध्ये मी ऑलरेडी ते पाथ जो आहे हा पेस्टेड आहे. म्हणजे माझ्याकडे ऑलरेडी मी तो पेस्ट केलता. आता तो न्यू म्हणल्यामुळे इथं तो पण येईल अजून एकदा. आता मी इथं जर हे असं टाकलं तर इट विल शो मी एरर, बिकॉज मीन जीवी इथं नाही पाहिजे, मला सिस्टम व्हेरिएबल मध्ये पाहिजे. लक्षात आलं का? तर इथं तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, पाथ वरती क्लिक करायचंय, इथं न्यू. आता सपोज थांबा मी परत एकदा इथं चेंज करते, बिकॉज इट्स हिअर आय वॉन्ट GNU C program files GNU bin, because where your Bison and Flex files are there, that path I needed to get installed. So I am going to copy this and I'm going to paste over here. Okay, this file will be get generated. In system variable, you need to pass these values here. You have copy that values. Already I have given both the paths. Both the path मी इथं दोन्ही path दिलेले आहेत. कसे? तर न्यू म्हणायचं, and you have to paste that content. You have to paste the same link. Both the links I have pasted over here. GNU bin 32, where Flex and Bisons are there. Up to bin, I need to select that path. And for mean GW also, I need to select the path up to bin. ठीक आहे. इथं न्यू म्हणल्यानंतर परत येतं, इथं तुम्ही पेस्ट करू शकता. बट ऑलरेडी आहे त्यामुळे मी करणार नाही. लक्षात आलं का? हा झाला तुमचा एन्व्हायरमेंट पाथ. परत जेव्हा तुम्ही कॉपी पेस्ट करता इथे ओके 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 येस सॉल्व झालंय.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can set your path. For Java also you need to set the path variable, means environment variable. So it will be easy for you. Okay, go for the program. I was expecting the results from you because it is similar to the vowel program. I just want to make that string count should be printed. मला फक्त स्ट्रिंगचा काउंट पाहिजे, तेवढाच प्रोग्राम. तर वॉवेल आणि कॉन्सोनंट हा नकोय मला, तसं काही पाहिजे नाही. फक्त स्ट्रिंग जी एवढी दिलेली आहे मग त्या स्ट्रिंग मध्ये किती नंबर किती कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत तेवढा काउंट मला पाहिजे. सो एनीबडी इज डन विथ द प्रोग्राम?
Yes.
कॅन यू शेअर?
I'm trying to show that using is very. I can open my camera. Okay.
Your voice is not clear. Can you message me what you are asking me? Vaishnavi Murray. Okay, I will make you co-host. Go for it. Huh? Yes, share your program. Vaishnavi. Mayur, wait, I will ask you, then you will share your system. Can you show us the program, Vaishnavi? Okay, run the program. Fine, just first run the program. Grammar को देखना. I don't know what happened, Vaishnavi. Okay, Mayur, can you go for it? I will
Hello,
make
madam. I have joined through mobile, ma'am.
But is it possible to you to share?
Wait, ma'am. I'm joined through my laptop. Then I share program.
Okay. Sanket is joined through mobile. Is it possible for you to share the screen with output? Sanket? By camera. No, don't make your camera on. I need just the output from your side. Is it possible to you to execute the program? On group, I'm not getting your chat clearly. Miss, I want the execution. You can show us by sharing your screen. Yes, anybody again who had done with the program? I need the output.
Hello, ma'am. Can I share?
Yeah, okay. Wait, I will make you co-host. You can go for it. Do. Is it possible to share your screen?
No, ma'am.
No, I have already done you the co-host.
Hello, ma'am.
Already I have made both of you co-host. Vaishnavi is, I think, so co-host.
Yes, ma'am. I have left because of range problem. I'll again share.
Rightly, who is going to present? Mayur, yourself or Vaishnavi?
Ma'am Vaishnavi.
Yeah, fine. VAI.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, visible. Good. Yes, there is something progress. Okay, can you show us your system? What you can say, a program code? Just show us. Yeah, the same thing. Fine. Okay, you are taking input from the user, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Mayur. Okay, you can stop. Vaishnavi, you can stop.
Hello, ma'am. I joined through two devices. That's why I have two accounts.
Wait, I will ask you. Mayur already made a co-host to you, but if you which device you are able to go for the sharing the screen? May I know? Means though you are talking with some your mobile and sharing the screen from laptop, isn't it?
Ma'am, I'm talking with my laptop.
Okay, so I will make you co-host from here and I will remove the co-host permission from here. Now is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go for it.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
This is the program.
Yeah. Wait. Okay, the strings as well as the numbers are also counted, isn't it?
Yes,
Mayur?
ma'am. Oh,
Can you go for the space also?
okay, I will try.
Yeah. जो मयूर घाडगे नेम दिलेला आहे त्याचा स्पेस दिलाय तो स्पेस होईल का काउंट बघा एकदा चेक करा.
Okay.
Yes, anybody while you are doing the program some changes whatever just can you go for any other person, anyone who want to share the program, and don't share this program statement. I'm again repeating, who are executed this program, don't share. कुठेही सामाजिक कार्य करायला जाऊ नका. माझं झालंय तुला बी घे. This will make your friends to get out from the race. त्यावेळेस ट्रेनिंग प्लेसमेंट होतं त्यावेळेस कळतं आपण किती पाण्यात आहे. त्यामुळे आत्ताच कुणाचाही सपोर्ट नका घेऊ लगेच. नाही समजलं विचारा. कॉपी पेस्ट काय मारू नका जास्त. समजून कॉपी पेस्ट मारा पण मारा. Execution.
Ma'am, can I present?
Yes. Wait, I will remove the permission from him. Vedangi. Right now, okay, you can go for it. Okay, fine. Good. What I expect is appreciable. Yes, anyone, don't share your screen with code. Don't share your screen with me. Let the other peoples do. Yes, Mayur, have you done?
No, ma'am.
Okay, go for it. Other.
Hello, ma'am. Can I share?
Yes, Mayur.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I have already made you co-host. Go for it. Okay, fine. Yes. Don't share your code.
Okay.
Now the next program, if is any problem with this, this was the simple Lex and Yak program we had done. Now we have to implement some syntax grammar rule over here. Before starting, I want a confirmation whether all have done the program statement for even odd, for string, as well as I want to count the space also. मी 2 प्रोग्राम दिलते ऍक्च्युली, पण त्याच्यातच मला परत एक मी एडिट केलं की मला स्पेस पण काउंट झाला पाहिजे. येस. सगळ्यांचं बऱ्यापैकी झालंय का? Yes.
Can I share?
Okay. Wait.
Ma'am,
Raviraj.
I will join through my laptop. Just a second.
Okay, fine.
Hello.
Yes, Raviraj.
Madam, can you make me co-host on Ravi Kuda?
Wait. Try. Is it possible? Raviraj, are you able to share your screen? Wait. Okay, fine. Now, check. Don't show your code, just execute, because others are only just copy paste. They are not going to execute separately from their own. I don't want that particular contents. Okay, new and data 7. ठीक है. Okay, string count you have counted. Okay, fine. Space program is not given here, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go for it. Do some changes over there.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. Write a program for swapping. Simple basic programs we are studying right now. Go for swapping program. Write a program for swapping. And simultaneously give me the attendance right now. Lecture is not going to be over, but give me attendance. Roll number 1, A division. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know they are not present. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, yes, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 28 not present, 27 is present, okay, 28, 29 given, not given, okay, 30 is also not present over here, 31 is present, okay, 32 present, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Wait, just wait. There is some confusion. Wait. थर्टी एट प्रेजेंट है क्या नहीं 39 आ गया 40 है, 41 है, 42 है, 43, 43, 43, 43, 44, 45, okay, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 74 नहीं है, 75 है, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. It is also absent. Okay. Absent number for A division 2, 4, 5, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 25, 28, 29, 30, 33, 37, 38, 43, 44, 52, 53, 55, 56, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 66, sorry, 72, 74, 76, 80. B division 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, okay, 66, 67, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Absent number for B division. 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 17, 22, 24, 26, 34, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 52, 54, 55, 56, 58, 62, 63, 64, 66, 69, 70, 73, 76, 77, 79. At the last, attendance once again will be taken. This is random one. At the last, attendance once again I'm going to take. So after the yes, go for the program of swapping. Yes, anybody has done? Go for the program of swapping. Okay, show. Share your screen. Wait. Okay, go for it. Screen. Okay, fine. Go for swap program. Yes, anybody done with the swap program?